Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. For those of you that don't know, this is my favorite clothing subscription box, and I have tried a lot. It costs $10 a month for shipping and $10 a month for a styling fee. But I will have a link down below to get both of those free if you end up liking my box. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's unbox. Just to answer some questions I got in my last few videos, you get more bundles the more you keep and the more feedback you give them on your website. Or on their website, not your website, but that's how you get more bundles. The more items you keep, the more feedback you give them, yada yada yada, that kind of stuff. You just mail everything back in this bag. You do not have to like go to CVS and buy your own packaging. Just mail it back in here. So yeah, let's see. We have one bundle, two bundles, three bundle. This one's kind of falling open. That'll be the one I open first. My mailbag sticker and my price chart. So first, let's open this bundle. So first we have a dress and then a pair of pants. Okay guys, first we have this Valerie dress for $29.99. I'm not a real big fan of it. I don't really like the way it fits me. I feel like the sleeves are either way too short on me or way too long. They just hit at like a really weird length. There's absolutely no shape whatsoever, and I'm just not a fan. For $30, I will be returning this dress. Next we have the Masha skinny pant for $22.49. While I am a fan of this and the way they fit me, and the material, it's more like leggings, I am not a fan of this. Like this bunching, they're just too long, or I'm too short. They don't fit me right, so I will be sending these back. Next, in this next bundle, we have earrings, which I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. They look like this. I actually think these are cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the plastic. Maybe I'll keep them this time. There's a first for everything, right? And now that I'm in an office setting, I'm just trying to look a little bit more put together. These earrings are the Mii earrings, and they are $20.99. I actually really like them. I think I'm gonna keep them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I'm just a big fan of like gold simple earrings. And also in this bundle we have two shirts. Next we have the Ivory crisscross top for $24.99. While I am a fan that this covers the booty and you could wear it with leggings, I just feel like it looks so similar to the blue shirt I kept in my last Nadine West. I just feel like if I keep keeping shirts of the same type, then I won't feel like I got any new clothes. I'll just feel like I'm wearing the same thing every day. So I'm going to be sending this top back. Okay guys, this last top is the Coraline top for $24.49. I'm going to be keeping this top. I like the pattern. It covers the booty. You can wear it with leggings. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And it's not so plain, but it's not the same as the other shirt I have. So I am going to be keeping this top. And in the very last one, we have a pair of sweatpants. So last but not least, we have these Kaylee bottoms for $24.99. I'm a huge fan, but we all know I love sweatpants anyways. These have pockets. I just a girl can never have too many sweatpants. I feel like Nadine West has caught on to the fact that I believe that, and they keep sending them to me. So I think I will be keeping these sweatpants. Okay guys, so that was it for this Nadine West. I hope you enjoyed. It was a little bit smaller of a Nadine West than I normally get, but that's okay. I feel like I liked 3 of the things in it and there was only 6, so I liked 50%. That's a good ratio for me. Like I said, if you would like to try Nadine West, I will have a link down below where you can get your styling fee for free and your shipping for free. Make sure if you try Nadine West, you comment and let me know how much you love it or if you hate it. As always, if you want to keep seeing me, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.